Spring is here, and that means it's time to plant potatoes. If you've been chitting your potato scraps, they're now ready to go into the ground. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to successfully plant potatoes at home. When it comes to planting, you can use tiny sprouted potatoes as they are. Even if some of your potatoes have over-chitted, meaning their shoots are extra long, they can still be planted. The key is to handle them carefully to avoid breaking off the delicate sprouts. Potatoes thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Before planting, prepare your garden bed or container by loosening the soil and adding compost or aged manure. This will provide the necessary nutrients for healthy plant growth and good tuber development. If you're growing in containers, make sure they are deep enough and have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant. Place each sprouted potato in the soil with the shoots facing up. This positioning ensures that they can grow upward without struggling. Space them about 12 inches apart to give each plant enough room to develop. If planting in rows, keep rows around 2 to 3 feet apart. After placing your potatoes in the soil, cover them with about 2 to 3 inches of soil. This initial covering will protect them, while allowing the shoots to continue growing. Water your newly planted potatoes thoroughly to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Over the next few weeks, you'll begin to see green shoots emerging from the soil. As your potato plants grow, keep an eye on them for any signs of pests or disease. Common pests like potato beetles can be managed through hand picking or organic pest control methods. Mulching around your plants can also help retain moisture and suppress weeds, ensuring that your potatoes have the best growing conditions. In just a few weeks, green shoots will emerge, marking the start of a healthy potato crop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more gardening tips and updates. Let us know in the comments how your potato planting is going, and stay tuned for more home gardening insights. Happy planting!